Hello, welcome back. This is James Uriel from UXShape. So we're going to continue with our inventory mobile app application that we are working on. At the moment, we've been able to prototype the non-cash item form area, and we've added interaction. If everything is okay, we'll just display the message, everything is okay. We didn't go through the conditional formatting. We didn't really add any conditional statement into our prototype in this session because we've done extensive of conditional formatting here, so we're just keeping that conditional formatting in this page. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to be adding item for cash item. We've added non-cash item. It's going to be similar to this, and we just get this information, we grab it, we paste it in this page, and then we'll change some things we don't need. So we'll go back to our non-cash items. So I'll just select all these basically and go to cash item, and I'll paste it in the cash item. So I'll increase this and say we'll say item type. This session we have item type, which is share tangent. So I'm just gonna remove all this and say we're gonna say maybe this mobile phone. We will say laptop, and we will say cash basically. So we have this and say select item type, and we will not be using size here. What we'll be using here, we have brand or making. So we're just going to be adding some brand or making there as well. But because we are making use of cash item, I'll just say, since we have computers, I'll say Samsung, we'll say Dell, and say iPhone. We'll save that, and we will have the item, other items here, which we'll have here, and say other item details. We'll save that, and we'll just rearrange this again. So we'll ungroup this, and I'll move this backwards, and we can like this. We can group this together, and we can have this. Like if we are prototyping at this stage, because we are brainstorming, we are trying to understand the app, so the requirement will not be fully clear, because from the data side of things we will still need to be adding some field as the requirement becomes clearer, so we can always improve on our prototype. So for now, this will do for what we have as the cash item. So if we go back and refresh this page, we will see, we go to add item, and we will see cash item, and we can say item added successfully. If we go to non-cash item as well, we'll say added item added successfully. So that's what we've done so far. And we have here the home page, which is like the inventory at a glance. So the history as well, what we're going to have here, which will be similar to this but a little bit different, because we're going to be using some historical data value. So we will go to our prototype, we go to home, we'll grab everything, and we'll go to history, select everything, and just paste it here, and we will increase the size so that we can see what we are designing. So what is going to happen is this: we're going to have we're going to say history, we're going to say inventory history. The little details we're going to add to this will be the date, maybe the exact date this was added. So we're just gonna have something like maybe the time, So I'll make this 12. So we'll say this was added on, this was added. Let's assume this is non-cash item, and this was added January 2018. What I'll do, I'll ungroup all this, ungroup this, and I'll just delete this. So what we have here, we have this item here, which is this. We will group this together, and I can just basically duplicate this and duplicate this and then duplicate that. So we will have this line. So I'll change this to February. I'll change this to March. I'll change this to April, and I'll just make this cash item. I'll make this one cash item. So this page is going to show us the history of what we've done so far in terms of our item, what we've added, our cash item or non-cash item. So let's preview this page, and we can go to add item, we can go to remove item, nothing is here for now, and we can go to the history, which shows us what we've done so far. So anything we had here will be going into the history, and we'll be able to track and view what we've done so far. If we want to check them out, we can now view the details by clicking this view button, and also we can remove the item from here. Actually, instead of removing item, we might probably have to change this to another menu type, and as we go along in the prototyping section, it will become more clearer what we're going to use. But for now, this is the home screen. We have the inventory at a glance. We can go to add item, and we can check out the history. We can check out the menu as well, and we can, basically interact with this prototype. So this session of the tutorial is very short, and in the next tutorial, we're going to be working on how we can add some interaction in history so that we can, preview the list of items, and then we can check whether they are still there. We can now check them out and do other bit of interaction that we can do as well. So it's very difficult if you are prototyping on a piece of paper, and you're at the same time thinking about the requirement that is needed. And like I said, as a UX designer, you'll continue to improve on your design. Your prototype will become more clearer as you get more requirements and as you get more feedback from your user. So at this time, we're just prototyping, and we will keep it simple as possible. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, send us a feedback or give us a comment below, and I'll be glad to answer your comment. Also, if you have any specific question to how this app is being made, I will be glad to send it to you as well. For now, let's just preview what we've done so far. We have the splash screen here. We have the onboarding screen. We get started, and we can basically log in. We've done a bit of interaction here for the login, for the forgot password, for the sign up. We've done a lot. And once we log in using our email address and password, we will land on the home screen. We will see the inventory at a glance. We can navigate here to the adding new item, adding cash item, or adding non-cash item. We can have the list of the item history that we've added. We can go to the menu So in the next tutorial, we're going to be working on other pages of the app as well, and we will try and wrap this video up. I think we still have about, I would say, 2 or more 3 videos, and we will wrap it up with that. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, if you have any question, drop it in the comment below, and also subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.